Your light bugs me.
Can't even see him.
What time is it now?
8:54, I think, or 9.
8:54. It's 10 something.
Oh, for real?
You're losing track of time too.
I don't know. Like you see.
I wanted to see the thunder. What little kids?
Looking in the window and shit.
There's little kids looking in the window?
Yeah, and the first house right there.
Oh, cool. Well, we're looking in the window too.
Oh yeah, mommy, I'm gonna open my window. And then all the stuff's gonna come in.
Girl,
What?
believe me, you don't want that.
Oh, nice. So it's just gonna melt away?
Yeah.
Or what?
When the sun hits.
You good?
Yeah, you can see this now. You can see better on the top.
Mommy, what should I do right now?
Huh?
What should I do?
What should we do with what?
What the hell? We look like creepers. What the heck? They're gonna look at me and shit. You should just like film the trees, like how they're moving.
Okay, I got the trees. You should see the awning. Oh, you saw that?
Yeah, it scared me. Thank God we don't got a tree in front. Cause,
Right. I'd be scared.
right, there's big ass trees gonna fall on us. You feel the house shaking though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes.
Yeah, the house is shaking. The awning looks like it's gonna fly off. What?
Baby's calling me.
Can you be downstairs with her for a minute?
She doesn't want me. The what?
Tell her I'm coming.
What in the awning?
Tell her I'm filming the Uy.
My stomach hurts. That blue thing?
The awning, the thing that's on top of the door
My stomach
downstairs.
hurts.